Ulrich, it's your first win in Austria. How do you feel?
I don't believe it. It's my first victory ever in the European Championship, and I have fighted 4 years for this win. So I don't believe it. I think when I drive across the finish line, I was only like, yeah, and yeah, my mechanic speak to me in my helmet, and yeah, he screamed, yeah, and yeah, I don't believe it. The weekend was beginning perfect. I was fastest in time practice, but every heat was a little pushing and something, and the best heat I was third and started fifth in the final, and I don't think it was possible to win with start on the fifth place, but yeah, it was a great final, and my time in the final was like a track record, so it was perfect.
Thank you. Good job.
Thank you.